Hello students, I am Ms. Misra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know in the previous video, I have already discussed about the linear equation. Linear equation related to the age. Today, I will discuss some question based on the money and based on the numbers, in which first of all question number one is a number is divided question number one है a number is divided into two parts, one part being four times the other, The difference between the two parts is 15. The difference between the two parts is 15. What is the number? What is the number? In the given question, solution of this question, a number is divided into two parts, one part being four times the other. The difference between the two parts is 15. As in the given question, the difference between the two parts is 15. So let us suppose that first part be x and other part be x plus 15, because difference between two parts is 15. So first part be x and other part be x plus 15. Now, according to the question, you are given that a number is divided into two parts, one part being four times the other. So let x plus 15 equal 4 times other part, 4 into ax. X plus one part is being 4 times other. One part is x, another part is x plus 15. So let us take x plus 15 equal 4 into x. 4 times means 4 multiplied by x. Now it will be x plus 15 equal 4x. 4 multiplied by x means 4x. Now this is form of linear equation. So for solving this linear equation, we collect variable on one side and constant in other side. So it will be ax minus 4x equal minus 15. We transpose plus 4x from right hand side to left hand side, then it will be minus 4s. And when transpose plus 15 from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be minus 15. Then it will be when subtract 4s from s, we get minus 3x. Then it will be minus 3x equal minus 15. Minus 3x equal minus 15. Now minus sign cancelled by this minus sign, and x equal 15 upon 3. X equal 15 upon 3. Therefore 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Therefore, what is x? The first part is x. So, first part of number equal x equal 5, and other part equal x plus 15 equal, here put the value of x. Value of x equal 5. Therefore, it will be 5 plus 15 equal 20. According to the question, first part, one part is 4 times the other. Therefore, 20 is the 4 times of 5. Therefore, our answer is correct. Answer will be first part 5 and other part will be 20. Now, next question. Next question of linear equation is divide. Question number 2. Divide 40 into 2 parts. 40 into 2 parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. 10 more than the other. 10 more than the other. Divide 40 into 2 parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. Solution. In the given question, we have to divide 40 into 2 parts so that one part is 10 more than other. So let us suppose that first part be x and second part be 40 minus x. Second part is 40 minus x. Now according to the question, one part is 10 more than the other. One part is 10 more than the other. So Let us suppose that x equal 14 minus x plus 10. X is 10 more than the other part 40 minus x, because here other part is 40 minus x. This is form of linear equation. This is the form of linear equation. So for solving this linear equation, we collect variable in one side and constant in other side. Therefore it will be x, when you transpose minus x from right hand side to left hand side, then it will be plus x. And add 40 plus 10. When you add 40 plus 10, it will be 50. Then x plus x equal 50. 2x, x plus x. When you add x and x, we get 2x. 2x equal 50. Therefore, x equal 50 by 2. X equal 50 by 2. When you divide 50 by 2, we get 25. Therefore, first part equal x equal 25. X first part, because you have suppose that first part bx, so first part equal x equal 25, and other part equal, you have suppose other part is 40 minus x, therefore it will be 40 minus 25. When you subtract 25 from 40, we get 15. Therefore first part is x equal 25 and other part is 15. If we have 25 and 15, we get 40. So our answer is correct. Now next question. Next question of linear equation. Next question of linear equation is. Two parts. Question number 3. Question number 3. Two parts of a number are such that one is half the other. One is half the other. The sum of two parts is the sum of two parts is 8 more than their difference. 8 more than their difference. 8 more than their difference. What are the parts and what is the number? What are the parts? What are the parts and what is the number? And what is the number? What are the parts and what is the number? two parts of a number are such that one is half the other. So, according to the question, one part is half of the other. So, let one number be x and other number equal x by 2 and other number equal x by 2. Now other statement of this question is the sum of two parts is 8 more than they are different. The sum of two parts, so x plus x by 2 sum of is 8 more than their difference. It means x minus x by 2 plus 8 according to the question. It is the other statement. The sum of two parts is 8 more than their difference. Difference means subtraction, x minus x by 2. Sum is x plus x by 2. Therefore, we multiply 2 both sides. That will be 2x plus 2 into x by 2 equal to, when x minus x by 2 plus 2 into 8. Multiply 2. Multiply 2. Here 2 is cancelled by 2. 2x plus x equal to, here 2x, 2 multiplied by x will be 2x, 2x minus x by 2, then it will be 2 into, here 2x minus x, x by 2, therefore it will be 2 into x by 2 plus 16. Here 2 is cancelled by 2, therefore it will be, when you add 2x plus x, then it will be 3x equal x plus 16. Now this is linear equation. For solving this linear equation, we collect variable in one side and constant in other side. Therefore, it will be, when you transpose plus x from right hand side to left hand side, then it will be minus x, then it will be 3x minus x equal 16. 3x minus x equal 16. Now subtract 3x, subtract x from 3x, you get 2x, therefore 2x equals 16, therefore x equals 16 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Then it will be x equal 8. Therefore first part will, therefore first part equal x equal 8 and other part equal x by 2 equal 8 by 2 equal 4. Other part is 4. Now therefore number equal, because you have to find out what is number, therefore number equal, therefore number equal, first number is 8 and other number is 4, therefore number equal 8 plus 4 equal 12. Therefore required number is 12. I hope that all this question is clear to you and you can do this type of question very easily. Be positive and do all this type of question. Goodbye.